Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the CDR in Coreldraw and confirming version compatibility. This prevents export errors. Once open, set color mode to RGB for screen JPGs or convert to CMYK only if printing. Make sure document dimensions match the final output size because scaling later can blur the image. Now unlock layers, flatten transparencies, and delete hidden or unused objects, so export is clean and file size stays reasonable before you move. Next, go to File Export and choose JPEG as the format. Make sure you select your output folder so you can find the file. In the Export dialog, set resolution: 72 dpi for web, 150-300 dpi for print. This controls clarity. Choose RGB color mode and set quality to 80-100% to balance size and fidelity. Also enable anti-aliasing to smooth edges, and use the preview to confirm colors and cropping before you finalize the export. Export the JPG and open it in a standard image viewer to verify size, clarity, and colors. This confirms success. If the file is too large, reduce quality slightly or downscale dimensions, and if it looks blurry, re-export at a higher DPI. Make sure to compare colors to the original. If they shift, try embedding or converting the color profile to sRGB. If issues persist, reopen the CDR, flatten problematic effects, and repeat the export with adjusted settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.